This is Agbogbloshie, a slum in the heart of Accra. This place has gained notoriety of one of the most polluted slums in the country and hosts one of the largest electronic waste dump in Africa. It is estimated that about 40 to 50 million tons of electronic waste is generated every year here at Agbogbloshie. In this area, it is clearly a battle of survival as many of Accra's youth spend hours and days on end dismantling, recovering, weighing and reselling metal parts and scraps from the heap of e-waste generated here. Scrap dealing is a difficult job. It involves time, patience and skills to sift through the forage of waste in order to identify that one product needed on the market. And with unemployment rate in the country currently soaring at about 3.7% as at September this year, scrap dealing comes in handy as a source of employment for many of Accra's homeless youth. 21-year-old Rafiu Adam works here at the e-waste dam at Agbogbloshie. He has been doing this job for the past 5 years now, but is yet to reap the fruits of his labor. Scrap dealing, according to him, is a crude and difficult job. It does not pay much, but at least gives him his daily bread. Rafiu will not recommend this job to anyone because it nearly landed him to his grave.
One day I'm dismantling motorbike. I break my chisel break into my hand like this. So I go, it's this place. It's this place here. Up to now the iron there inside my hand. You must have some affecting. Like you can get injury when you are doing the work and smoothie smoking that we are using inside.
Like Rafiu, Mohammed Rabiu and Al-Hassan Zimbali are the few of the thousands of unemployed youth who troop to the e-waste dam at Agbogbloshie to earn their daily bread. At the Agbogbloshie e-waste dump, there is an emission of toxic fumes which health experts say are detrimental to one's health. But for someone like Al-Hassan Zimbali, the health warnings are nothing to write home about. According to him, it's been more than 7 years since he started working at the e-waste dump, but has never been to the hospital to seek any medical treatment in relation to his job.
So, you know they affect your body? No. So you go hospital with them?
No, I don't go.
Always you are healthy, you be strong, always. But you know say this thing they affect your body?
No, this one they don't affect me. No, not true.
But Dr. Dennis Bote, a public health expert, disagrees.
In this same environment that they are inhaling a lot of things. You inhale something into your lungs, you inhale in something through your nose, the nose reacts because that thing is an irritant into your nasal passages. And then the nose begins to run. It goes into your lungs, eventually it can cause problems in your lungs. It can cause forms of pneumonia, atypical types of pneumonia. Some of them that are just in gaseous smoke that enter the nasal system can also affect the eye. Some of them think that, I don't fall sick. It's just simple cuts. I get this, I get that. But you see clearly from their bodies that their bodies are not as smooth as yours. You see a lot of cuts. Sometimes acids have burned their skin and they are going through skin healing, infections on the skin and all that.
But this seems the menace of the country's e-waste challenges won't be over anytime soon. The Environmental Protection Agency, the body mandated to ensure the effective disposal of e-waste, are at their wits' end as to how to solve the situation permanently. Executive Director John Puamang says there are plans to recycle the e-waste generated and sack people from patronizing the place.
We foresee that Agbogbloshie will be changed into a nice e-waste recycling center. All the pollution that we have, the soil, we will work with other agencies to try to do remediation of some of the areas which will be left. The German government has also given support to improve upon the area so that there can be a clinic. There will also be, a facility for them to have some sporting activities, and so there will be a football field for the people there to also have some recreational facility. So by and large, this is what we are foreseeing.
In advanced countries, the use of technology has been used to recycle e-waste products and turn them into products that has been of benefit to mankind. Now the big question is, when will Ghana do same? Frank Addo's report for GH1 News.